Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to give you the information you need to find the correct filter. This is the replacement HEPA filter for the Honeywell 24000. You can find this at atomicfilters.com. When you're replacing your HEPA filter, you want to make sure that you've got the correct one because Honeywell makes several air purifiers. So you want to measure the height from the bottom to the top of the filter, and then the inner diameter, which is listed as ID sometimes. That's from here to here, and then the outer diameter, which is listed from here to here. And if you have those dimensions, you should be able to match it to what you currently have and make sure you're getting the right purifier. On our site, when you go to air purifiers and Honeywell on the drop-down, it will list all the Honeywell air purifiers. It's going to have the model numbers that they are replacements for listed. So if you just find your model number for your machine, or you can put that in on search at Atomic Filters, and it will come up with the correct air purifier for you. So you just want to confirm that it's the correct height, inner diameter, and outer diameter so that it fits your machine. So go to atomicfilters.com and you can find the correct replacement for your Honeywell air purifier.